Uh-oh. Hi everybody, it's your girl Melanie, and this week I'm going to talk about cupping. I've been seeing videos on YouTube of these girls trying these cups on their skin, and it's supposed to help with the wrinkles. And I thought I would try it out for the first time in front of you today to see if facial cupping really works. So I'm gonna unbox it in front of you now. We're gonna see what's inside. The set that I got was a 6-piece set, and because I'm cheap, you know I appreciate saving money, but I am a little bummed that this packaging is just a brown box. So let's open it up and see what's inside. One of the first things inside this pack is a little silicone face brush, and it's got a little suction cup thingy and a little hole here to slip your finger in, and then the front is like little soft bristles, and it feels actually really nice. And what else is in here? Ooh, so there's these little, we have these cups here, and they're kind of long and narrow. And then inside these two little baby ones just popped out. They look kind of like little pink street cones. And then we have some more cups. These are a little bit larger. They look almost like the size of shot glasses. And then I have this big ass giant one right here too, which is supposed to use on your body, and I'll probably use it on my butt. So there's no instructions, so we're just gonna wing it. And now I'm gonna get up really close and show you the areas that I'm gonna be working on and that I hate the most. Yeah, that's so ugly. And I have these nasty crow's feet that I just hate. And then we have all this mess, which I freaking hate. And I got the lines on the lips. These are not super soft. I mean, they're actually kind of hard. They don't smell, fortunately. From what I've seen, you don't want to put this directly on your dry skin. You want to start off with some kind of an oil or something, and I don't actually have an oil, so I'm going to use a little bit of serum and hope that this works and doesn't leave my face full of hickeys. So I'm going to apply a little bit of this serum to my forehead. And I think for my forehead, the best one to use will probably be this one. This is like one of the, I don't know, one of the smaller ones. All right, so here we go. So I'm gonna squeeze it and pop it on my face. Oh, there we go, there's a suction. Oh shit, I really hope I'm not giving myself hickeys on my forehead. Look at that, I'm a unicorn! And I guess you're supposed to massage it for a couple of minutes. Uh-oh. My skin is turning red. It's not very slick. Now my forehead is nice and pink and glowing, and not that I really want it to look like that or anything, but I don't know. Do we see a difference? Now I think we should move on to my crow's feet. Let's use a little more serum here. I don't really like using oils because it just makes me feel like gross and sticky. Maybe I should try this one. So this is the little one. So I'm gonna squeeze it. Oh, that didn't work. Squeeze it, and there we go. I got the suction going on. I don't really have a rhyme or reason of what direction I'm doing. I'm just kind of going out and away. Okay. Actually, I kind of feel like it's making a little bit of a difference on this side. Oh, let's see. It's kind of like sucking the wrinkles out. You know, like when you have a dent on your car and you use something to kind of pop out the dent, that's kind of how I would describe it. I might be crazy, but I feel like there is a difference on my eyes. That is cool. I love when shit works the way it's supposed to. Let's also do it on these lines right here, the 11. Although I always say I don't really have 11s. I have more like equal signs because they go horizontal like that as opposed to vertical like that. What you want to do is make sure that you get that little suction, and you want to feel it sucking it as it's moving along your skin. Okay, well, I don't know. Is it just me? Do my little equal signs look a little bit plumper? Let's keep going. Now we're gonna work on the part of my face that I hate the most, this garbage right here. Do, 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 do. I'm so happy when things actually work. All right, we'll try this one. I'm gonna use this one on my nasolabial folds. And my marionette lines that I just freaking hate. All right, well you can kind of see half and half. So this half doesn't have it and this half has it. Doesn't it look a little bit plumper to you? Oh wow, and I hate this little wrinkle that I have right here. Look at what it did. Did it make that little dimple like less noticeable? The last spot I'm gonna do is these smoker's lines around my lips. And I'm gonna use this little itty bitty one here. I'm kind of just doing like half and half. All right, so this little one, I'm kind of struggling with it a little bit. I'm gonna try this big one on my entire mouth. Maybe I can do the Kylie Jenner lip trick. This would be my husband's favorite. Not because it'll make my lips fuller, but because my mouth will be shut. Let's try it on my cheeks. Because maybe it'll just end up lifting my face at the same time. Oh boy, the suction is strong on this for sure. To me, that feels good. It feels like it's probably working, right? Well, there we have it. It's all done. Now, I'll be honest with you, I really don't hate this product. I actually feel like my skin has plumped out quite a bit from this. So if you've ever been curious about trying facial cupping like I was, for less than $10, why not give it a shot? I will put a link in the video below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Oh my God, if my husband comes home and I have like what looks like hickeys on my neck, he's gonna be like, Melanie, what the hell were you doing today?